Every piece of stone tells a story. And for us, it starts here. In conversations with suppliers, in the quarries, and each piece of stone is selected by us. We've been working with these suppliers for over a decade, and these relationships are built on trust. And it is that trust that allows us to bring home the best of what nature has to offer. This is where it begins, in the heart of Italy, the source of some of the world's most extraordinary marbles. We come here for the scale, for the movement, the colour, the sheer beauty that nature offers. This is where we see the potential first. We don't just buy stone, we curate it. Every slab is hand-selected by us, chosen not just for how it looks, but for how it will live and perform in a space. When clients see a slab in a showroom, what they're really seeing is a decision made by experts and made by us in selecting the best that nature has to offer. Curated by nature, but chosen by us. That's the Worldstone difference.